1045. Concentration is basically amount of solute dissolved in some specific amount of solvent or solution, right? Amount of solvent or solution. For example, we have two solution, or much better about solute, solvent, and solution, right? Should I revise it again, or is it's clear?
It's clear, I think.
Excellent. So, for example, we have water, 100 ml or 100 cm cube of water, and we are going to put, for example, 5 grams of glucose in it, right? At the same temperature. Same is the case with we have solution B having the same amount of water, that is 100 ml, and we are going to add 15 grams of glucose in it, right? So amount of solute in solution B is more as compared to amount of solute in solution A. So we can say that this concentration of B is greater as compared to concentration of solution A. In other words, the amount of solute dissolved in specific amount of solvent is greater in solution B as compared to solution A. It's clear? So this is called concentration. All right. Now in chemistry, in our syllabus, we are going to either represent concentration in grams per dm cube or moles per dm cube, right? So if you have been given the solution in the volume in cm cube, you will have to convert into dm cube, right? And of course, if you have been, we will be doing numerical problems in this class, inshallah, in detail. So just remember, we can either express concentration in gram per dm cube or in moles per dm cube, right? Basically, the amount of solute in specific volume of solvent. Clear? Is it clear, dear students? You should learn
Yes,
the
sir.
formula, and that is concentration is equals to moles divided by volume. If the question about concentration is asked to find in grams per dm cube, then you will have to measure mass of solute in grams and volume in dm cube, right? Similarly, if you have been asked to find concentration in moles per dm cube, then you will have to take moles of solute in moles and, sorry, number of the solute, amount of solute in moles and volume in dm cube. So let's do one question. We will be practicing more. This is very simple question. Mass is given, volume is also given. You will have to find concentration in grams per dm cube. Just use the formula mass of solute in gram divided by volume in dm cube. Put the values and you will get the answer. Is it clear? It's simple, right? Please respond me so that I know that you are attentively listening to my lecture. Again, in this case, for example, we are doing question find concentration in grams, oh sorry, in moles per dm cube, right? If of solute are 5 moles and volume is 3 dm cube. Wait, just wait for me. Just wait, huh? All right. So we will be using this formula just to calculate concentration in mole per dm cube. Moles are 5. Am I audible? I am audible, right? You are hearing me. And 3 dm cube. So just you will have to calculate. Is it simple, right? It's simple. Similarly, another question. If you have been asked to find amount of solute in moles and you have been given with volume and concentration, then simple, the formula is, actual formula is number of moles per volume per dm cube. So the n will be equal to c multiplied by v. I have written the fourth formula, remember, n will be equal to 2.5, the concentration is zero point 0.2, sorry about that, zero point 0.2, and let me do it again for you. Very simple. Number of moles is equals to zero point 0.2 moles per dm cube and volume is 2.5 dm cube. So just simply you will have to multiply it and you will get the answer. Is it clear? Now these are the simple questions. Now moving towards our worksheet, we have been given grams and dm cube, volume, and we have been asked to find concentration. So what will we do? We will just simply put the formula of concentration in grams per dm cube, right? Is equal to mass of solute in grams divided by volume of solution in dm cube. So mass is 25 grams and volume is 5 dm cube. So the answer will be 5 grams per dm cube. Clear? Is it clear to you? Just tell me please. Respond
जी
me,
सर.
everyone.
Yes sir.
Now, the new type of question. Again,
नीचे हमारा मोल लिखा था दर.
one over here. No, there is no moles anywhere present. This is just repeating mistake. There is no mole present. You have been given grams of potassium hydroxide, volume in dm cube, but simply you will have to calculate grams per dm cube. So there is no need to convert this into mole or anything else. Clear?
नहीं.
Or oh, sorry, excellent point. Yes, this is dm cube, right? So new question that is, you'll have to find amount of solute in moles, right? You'll have to find number of moles, and you have been given with dm cube and concentration in moles per dm cube, right? So we know the formula, c into v, number of moles is equal to concentration is 0.5 moles per dm cube, and volume is 3.0 dm cube. So the answer will be, I guess, 1.5 moles. Clear? The question is simple, I guess, to you people. Respond me if there is any confusion to
Yes
anybody.
sir.
Now, another question, the third part, example. Now, look at, this is again a repeating mistake, forget about that. Now, look at carefully. You will have to find moles per dm cube, but you have been given with mass, right? So first of all, we are going to convert this mass into number of moles, right? So number of moles equals to mass over molar mass. Mass is 56 grams, and molar mass of KOH is also 56 grams per mole, right? So the answer is 1 mole. Is it clear? Now, you have been asked to find volume in dm cube or concentration in moles per dm cube, whereas over here volume is in cm cube. So again, you will have to convert this cm cube into dm cube, and that will be equal to 0.5 dm cube. Now again, the next step is very simple. You'll have to calculate number of moles over volume. So concentration, number of moles are 1, and number of moles is 1, and the volume is 0.25, right? So the answer will be calculated, please. Calculate it down. Calculate it down, please.
4 आ रहा है.
4
Yes 4.
4 moles per dm cube. Clear? Is it clear, dear students?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Rest of the question you'll have to do it by yourself. Okay?
इन concentration वाले questions की
No. This one is left. We will have, these are just precursors for doing titration calculations. We are going to do concentration questions. Let's revise the whole concept. First of all, we just, have we solved this question? Have we solved it? Or we are going to solve it? First of all, just revise it. First of all, we practiced formula number 1. Then we practiced formula number 2. Then formula number 3, right? Then we mix up all these 3 formulas. Was it so? And also, then we calculated mass or number of moles by using chemical equations, like just we did yesterday and some today. Then we studied about limiting reactants. Clear, students?
Yes.
Is there any difficulty while solving limiting reactant questions? Please tell me. Is there any difficulty while doing these questions? Please respond me. Or these questions, we have practiced limiting reactant questions, right? Then we moved towards the concentration questions, and we practiced such type of questions a lot. Just 3 different angles. We have practiced 3 in questions in different angles, right? Then we are going towards titration. But first of all, getting my point of view, the way I'm going to take you, that in which way we are heading. No, respond me please. Aliza, Eza, Ghani, sorry about that.
Yes sir.
Is there any difficulty you can clearly discuss? Is there any problem?
No sir.
Then you'll have to find concentration in moles per dm cube. You have been given mass in grams. So first of all, we are going to convert this mass in gram into molar mass, sorry, number of moles. So the molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equals to 40 grams per mole. So just divide it by 40 grams per mole. The answer will be 2 moles. Again, we have been given volume in cm3. We will have to convert this into dm³, and the answer will be 0.5 dm³. Just now divide it. Concentration is equals to number of moles per volume in dm³. So moles are 2 and volume is 0.5 dm³. So the answer will be 4. Now this one we are going towards. Should we do it right now or should we do it tomorrow? The titration, because all right. And after solving the titration type numericals, we will be doing empirical and molecular formula type numericals. This one, and I will be sending practice worksheet. And also then after that, after doing, we will be